Number 1. HP Omen for 5L Gaming Desktop PC. Define the cutting edge with the Omen for 5L Desktop PC. Built with a 13th generation Intel Core i9-13900 OKF processor. Dazzling graphics and extreme cooling with the patented liquid-cooled Omen cryo chamber cooling system. This gaming desktop is Energy Star certified, a paint gold registered, and is designed using sustainable materials like water-based paint. The Omen 45L desktop PC comes with 1 month of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. HP is here to help. This HP computer comes with 1-year limited hardware warranty and 1-year limited technical support. 4. Number 2. Skabrin Gaming Desktop PC. This computer is well suited for a variety of tasks including gaming, study, home, business, photo and video editing, streaming, day trading, crypto trading, and more. This high-performance gaming PC is capable of running a wide range of popular games, including Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, Escape from Tarkov, GTA V, World of Warcraft, LoL, Valorant, Apex Legends, Roblox, Overwatch, CSGO, Battlefield V, Minecraft, Elden Ring, Rocket League, The Division 2, and Hogwarts Legacy with 60 system, Intel Core i7 up to 3.9 GHz 4-core, 32 GB. Memory. Number 3. Beastcom Q3 Essential Gaming Desktop PC. Unique processing. Our computers are processed with maximum efficiency to ensure maximum performance with an optimal gaming configuration. Limitless fun is guaranteed. Best price-performance ratio, whether for gaming, working in the office, or surfing at home. With our Q3 series computers, you dive into the depths of the gaming world. Of course, with sufficient FPS, Beast guarantee, your PC is causing problems. It doesn't start as it should 30 days after delivery. We will replace your PC for free. In addition, there is a worry-free 2-year